Okay, in the recent time, GeegPay allows users to add third-party accounts, bank accounts. Okay, if you're Nigerian, you can add another person's Nigerian account number and transfer money to it. Then, if you have a US account details, or if you have US account details of somebody, maybe somebody has pay owner account, and he provides that to you, you can add it to your GeegPay account and then you transfer the money to the person. Okay, so if the account is domiciled in US or in Nigeria and some other parts of Africa, you can add it to GeegPay. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to add an account number to GeegPay, and I'll make another video where you transfer money to that same account number. First, tap on your GeegPay app and log in. So here, I will type my password and then log in. Okay, once you log in, you will have an interface that looks like this. Now, let's start with adding of an account number. Your NGN wallet may be selected or your dollar wallet. So I'll tap here and select my dollar wallet on that NGN. So once I tap on that NGN, select a different wallet. Okay, here is my USD wallet at this point in time. So I'm going to tap on send money. Okay, so follow the guide. Once you tap on that send money, you will see some existing accounts you have on your profile. Okay, so existing bank accounts you have added. We want to add a new account, so tap on add a new beneficiary. When you tap on a new beneficiary, you are provided with two options: bank transfer and money, mobile money. So our interest here is bank transfer. Select bank transfer. On selecting bank transfer, tap on that drop down and select the currency. So we have Chinese here and we have Egyptian pounds. We have a lot of them, but this account is a Nigerian account, so local account in Nigeria. Okay, so that's why I'm going with Nigerian Naira. When you select the Nigerian Naira, you can see choose type, local bank account is choosing, beneficiary type, individual, which is fine. Okay, then bank name, I will select bank name. Their bank is Access Bank, so I will tap on that, select bank and search for Access Bank. Okay, Access Bank is here. I can tap on it or I can use the search box to get to the name of the bank fast. Okay, now the next step is to add the account number. Once you add the account number, the name will show up automatically. All right, I'm done with adding of the account number. So let me tap on this arrow down. Okay, the name has showed up. All right, automatically. So the next step is to tap on save beneficiary. And you can see so person has been added as a recipient. Then I will tap on continue to payment. All right, so what they're telling me now is that I should transfer money to this guy, but I don't want to transfer money to him or her at this point in time. So let me get to home for you to see the account. So you can see the account now is one of my beneficiaries. So this is how to add an account, okay, with that local or international accounts in GeegPay mobile app. And from here, you can send money to the person. So my next tutorial is on how to send money to the third party.